video. So I'm back with another video. In this video, I want to go over the 74 new properties that we have. Now, I know I did not do the properties yesterday, and I don't think I did them the day before either, you guys. I'm not sure. Or if I did do it, I didn't post it onto Facebook. But I'm so sorry, you guys. School started for me. You know, the homeschooling thing. We're struggling over here, you guys. Really, really struggling, okay? We've been trying to get it together. But this weekend, I'm going to take this time to plan. I personally won't be available on Monday, but my assistant, Israel, he will be available to answer any questions that you guys have. Call or text us. We're always available in terms of text messages, in terms of calls. So definitely call us to text us. But this weekend, I'm going to take this time out to get all this together. And I have a lot of showings this weekend, you guys, so I'm going to be back with the showing. So sorry, you guys, but let's get into this video. So we have 74 new properties. Now, I was looking at this property, y'all. That's enough. I seen enough. Let me wait to see it with you guys, because I like to go through it a little bit, but I don't like to go through all the properties like a lot. So it's 74 new properties. It's 4 of them I really, really like. So the cheapest property that they have for sale is $25,600. And then there's a property here I wanted us to see, which is $29,000, but it's a nice investment. So I want to show you guys what that looked like. And if you put some little sweat equity, you know, some little elbow grease in there, it'd be a nice property where you don't have to pay like a mortgage. So I definitely want to show you guys that property. The most expensive property that they have for sale right now, I guess, is this $1,389,000 home in Franklin. So we're definitely let's look at that right now. Forget it. I was like, we're definitely gonna look at it, but yes, we are. We're gonna look at it right now. So it looks so isolated. Isn't it like perfect, you guys? Like nobody's by your house. It's just you. Let's go and look at somebody that worked their butt off. Let's look and see what they worked for. So this is their house. You can drive up into it. It's an attached garage. This is their kitchen, you guys. Like, what are they making? It's nice, right? Really nice. Look at the island. Oh, it's just so beautiful, you guys. So don't forget, this house is 1.3, almost $1.4 million. So this house is really nice. Look at their office. All I can just imagine putting everything there. I'm going to do an office tour for my office. Now, it ain't going to look like that. It ain't going to look like that. Ooh, this is nice. I love this fireplace, you guys. Look at the tub. Oh, you guys, this makes me want to work harder, you guys. Y'all don't understand how many hours I work per day. Like, seriously. Over 12. Guaranteed. Oh, my gosh. Look at this walk-in closet. Beautiful. I like when they have nice little benches here, you guys, where you can sit down, look out the window like a lonely cat. A backyard. Oh, wow. You can go on like a little hiking trail, look like. They got their own extras. I don't have to go to Planet Fitness anymore. Planet Fitness can give me my $20 back per month. I could be at home. I like that a lot. The laundry rooms, like the laundromat. My laundry room is not that bad. It's kind of similar to that. Let's see how big it is. Yeah, it's similar to that. There's nothing too extravagant about that. Wow, look at the bathroom. Like you're really somewhere. It's kind of outdated though, but like you're somewhere. I guess this is the basement. It has to be the basement. We don't see any windows down here. They got a bar down here. They got an exercise area. The bathroom. Look at the sink. I really like this, and the faucet. It's really nice. Nice play area for the little ones. My little ones would love to be out there right now. I wouldn't have to hear them running around. So yeah, this property is really nice, you guys. They're going into details. They gotta rub it in our face, you guys. But definitely work hard and you can get whatever you want, you guys. You can really get whatever you want. So that's just a little teaser property. They got a lot of photos. I don't think we should look at all those photos. We time restricted, you guys. I don't want to make this video too long. But let's see. Let's go and look at the 4 that I have already checked off. So remember I told you guys it's less than a $30,000 property right here. So I'm going to show you guys what these photos look like. So this is the house. Nice little petite house. But the thing is too, put a little sweat equity and fix it up, paint it, do some repairs to this house, and it'll be perfect, you guys. And it even got a garage and a slab. And it got a yard, so you just got to get it fenced in all the way. You can see like it's a fence partially here, but make sure it's all the way fixed in. Here's the kitchen. So I will redo these floors. I will pull all these cabinets up out of here and put brand new cabinets in there. And I got to do that for my kitchen where I'm putting new cabinets in, you guys. And it's going to cost me probably less than $500 to do it. And probably too because of the cabinets I get. Guaranteed less than that. But it's not going to cost that much that you guys may think. And you get a new brand new tub for cheap too. It doesn't cost that much to do a lot of things. And then don't forget I got the Habitat for Humanity. If you guys seen that video where I got the dishwasher for $37. Like, yeah, a lot of times they pull that out of houses that they're probably tearing down. They're doing a rehab and they want everything brand new. But if it works, especially if you move into one of these houses that already got a dishwasher, a lot of times that stuff been in there and you having a used dishwasher anyway. So definitely look into like the Habitat for Humanity. But that's all the pictures for that property. Let's look at the details. So it's a single family, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. But it's only 672 square feet. Wow. But yeah, it's gonna need a lot of tender love and care. A lot of tender love and care, you guys. It's only been on the market for 3 days. Somebody's gonna definitely get it. Well, let's look at details for this property. Since we're already here, you guys, you might as well. Oh, wait, let's back up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so this is a single family too, you guys. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. So it's similar to the other one. It's really similar to the other one. It's 844 square feet. It's a single family. This shows you how area makes everything different. Like what area you're in just makes everything so different. So the list price is $150,000. Just imagine fixing that other one up again, $150,000 for it. But it's the area that you're really paying for because you're like in the West Allis area. So let's look at the mortgage information. So if you was to get a mortgage on this property, you're looking at putting about $5,200 down on the property, and you're looking at your mortgage being about $1,077 per month. Let me move this down just a little bit, you guys. I feel like y'all seeing my chin or something. Like y'all looking at my chin. So let's see. If you're doing a VA loan, don't forget VA loans, you don't have to put any money down at all. And then too, you're looking at paying about $989 per month for this property. Let's look at the photos for this property and see what's going on. So you got a nice driveway. That's really nice. You got a fence cutting it off too, where nobody can come back there. So this is the living room. They just got bulky furniture. I think it would be bigger if you had less bulky furniture in there. This is a kitchen. And we got to see if the appliances included too, because you see it's the stove here, a dish, just like the dishwasher. The dishwasher, the microwave, a bedroom here, another bedroom there. This is the bathroom. Well, I got a tile up here. I kind of like that. This whole thing is tiled. I guess it's connected to the shower, which is really nice. I really like that. This is the front of the house. This is the backyard. I think this is the reason why I picked this house, because it's really small, but look at the backyard. You got so much room in the backyard. So if you're the type of person that like to be outside, you like to be in a garage, if you like, I don't know if you're a man, you like to be in a garage, and this may be perfect for you. Yeah, extra storage right there too, you guys. You have a lot of parties at your house. But like I said too, that property is going to be $1,077. So let's go ahead and look at the next one. This one, they want about $110,000 for this property. Let's look at the photos for this property first, though. So this is the living room area. This is the front of the house. Okay, they have a fireplace here, which is really nice. Well, if you're into like the crown molding and stuff like that, they do have it here. I'm not too much of a fan of that type of stuff. But, you know, to each his own. They definitely have it in this house. Like they got carpet upstairs too. A dining room area. The kitchen. Ooh, kitchen is so bright. So bright and beautiful. They got the wrong table in here, but you know, to each his own. It's like, why are you sitting on? I'll put a nice little bar where you could put a chair right here. Let me show you what I would get. I would get a nice little bar table where you put a stool right here, put a stool right there, or maybe have a stool over here too where you can look out and look into the kitchen like you can have guests around the table while you're cooking, preparing meals. That's something I would put right there. So the fridge is here, the stove. We got to see if that stuff is included. We didn't check for the last property, but we definitely want to check for this one. This is a half bath. Here's one of the bedrooms. I guess all of the bedrooms are carpeted, or at least the upstairs is carpeted. And this has to be the upstairs. Here's another bedroom. That's definitely no carpet in that bedroom. Here's the bathroom, totally different than I would have guessed. This is the basement for the property. They had a dehumidifier up here, you guys. You can see it's plugged in. That's the dehumidifier. So that's just to make sure all the moisture stay out the house. Look at their barnwood door. This really nice. The backyard here. Yep, so that's that property there, you guys. Let's look at the mortgage for this property. It really didn't excite me like I thought it would. But let's look at the mortgage. Let's look at the details for the property. So, yeah, you're looking at putting about $7,300 down for the property and paying about $1,500, a little under $1,500 a month for this property. That's if you're doing an FHA loan. Don't forget FHA, you're looking at putting the 3.5% down. But remember, you guys, we got the 52-week savings challenge. I just did the savings challenge video. This is like the second video I just made for today. But I told you guys every 100,000, I want you guys to save $5,000. So this is $200,000. You guys should be thinking about saving $10,000. But if you save $10,000, you're technically going to be over, right? But the extra money that you have, you can do so many different things with that. If you have to get something brand new for your house, you got that money now. You don't have to start getting loans and getting yourself into deeper debt because you just got a mortgage. Like, calm down, get your new bedroom set, congratulate yourself. Use the extra money for that, but don't forget, look down in the description, start the savings challenge. Definitely look through my YouTube videos, and you can see exactly what that means to even do the savings challenge and save every week. So this week, I think we only have to save $45. And don't forget, every week we save for 52 weeks, and after the 52 weeks, we're going to have $5,000. So for this one, you got to do that savings challenge twice. So this week you got to do the savings challenge twice. So you're going to have $90. So let's see the next property. And if you're doing a VA loan, you're looking at having about $1,400, $1,350 that you're going to be paying every month for your mortgage. Now this one right here, this property right here is $224,000. You're looking at putting about $29,000 down on the property, and your mortgage will be $1,450 a month. You're doing a VA loan, you're looking at about putting like $1,300 a month down for that mortgage. So let's go ahead and look at the photos for this property. So this property looks like it's bigger. You got a garage back here. You have the driveway, which is really nice. And they have a fireplace with this house, a nice dining room, you guys. And you can see they have carpet here. I did not expect that, you guys. I really did not expect to have carpet. But look how huge this kitchen is and how much stuff you can store in here. Like, I can hide the kids in here. They have a piano in here, which is very beautiful. Look at the bathroom. The bathroom was really stood out. I love this wash yourself. I'm going to try to see if I can find that to put that on my tub. They have a nice office area here. Here's the bathroom here. Look at that bathroom. This is the first when I first was looking. I was like, okay, I'm not going to look at no more. But here's the bedroom. Walk-in closet. Wow. That's the bedroom there. And you won't even expect that. This house actually looks kind of small on the outside, right? Look at the backyard. It's nicely put together. You got the deck back there. So, wow, you guys. Look at the garage. Yep, and that's really everything, you guys. That kitchen, though, is huge. All them cabinets. Like, what are you, a chef? Do you make meals at home? Meals on wheels? But, yeah, you guys, that's all of the properties. Don't forget, I'm going to send out the list of properties. I actually haven't been doing the list of properties this week, but I'm definitely going to send those out today, you guys. I'm going to get caught up on everything. And I promise you guys, I want to stay on top of everything. The only thing is that I really do credit repair, and that's like the main thing that's been taking a lot of my time. A lot of clients, I really want you guys to send me your documents so I can see like what got deleted from your credit report. If something didn't get deleted, I need to see that so I can go ahead and keep working on your credit and actually tackle these companies. So if you want to get a list of homes, definitely go ahead, look down in the description and request a list of homes. I can send you a list of homes. Now, if you want to start the 52-week challenge, definitely let me know that you're going to start that challenge by putting some money bags below. Just put 3 money bags below. And then that's how I know you actually went to the end of the video, you guys. So go ahead and put those money bags below. Let me know. Start it today, that challenge. And then, too, when you guys start digging, they're going to give you $5, too, just for starting. So definitely go ahead and start. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys come definitely here for you guys. 833 Rickita is my phone number. And you can also see it right here too. So I just want to get my name as my phone number so you guys can always call me. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.